Hi everyone, welcome back to Feather Stitch House. My name's Rebecca and each week on this channel I make videos about embroidery and textile art to help you get creative. This is going to be an unusual video, it's going to be very short, but I just wanted to do a quick summary of the two projects that I've got running this year so that you can get access to them if you want to. I did explain this in a live stream, but that's quite long and I wanted to bring it all together and summarise it all for you so that you can find out more information quickly if you want to. So the first project that I'm running is called Postcards from the Hedge, and it's actually over on a different platform called Kofi. There is a link in the description below and there will be a link in the end card of this video, so you can just click on that and it will take you straight there. It's a subscription project, so you do have to pay for access to it, but I'm hoping that you'll very quickly see that it is well worth the investment. If one of your New Year's resolutions is to get more creative or learn a new skill or to take more time for yourself each week, then it is the perfect project for you. Each week we're going to create a 6x4" fabric postcard, and the 3 tiers offer you different content. So all 3 tiers get access to a tutorial video where I'll explain all the processes involved in making each postcard. The second tier also gives you access to the pattern for each postcard each week. So if you're not confident at drawing or sketching, that might be the tier for you, because you can download the postcard, print it out and use it precisely to make exactly the same postcard as me. Now the third tier gives you a bonus video, and in that video, which will be about 15 to 20 minutes long, I will discuss and explore a poem linked to the theme of each week's postcard. So we've made 2 postcards already. So in week 1 we made a yew tree postcard. Here it is. It's pure embroidery, so there was no sort of fabric manipulation or anything like that in this one. It was just embroidered, really simple embroidery, and we learnt the stitches that we needed for that postcard. I give you all the thread colour numbers that I've used, and the video is 45 minutes to an hour long, teaches you everything you need to be able to recreate this. So that was week 1. It's 6x4", so it's not too big, not too onerous, and easily achievable in a sort of afternoon and evening. Now week 2 we did something completely different, and we've created a slow stitch wren, and this is a sort of scrappy slow stitch project using the template from the pattern. So that was week 2, and so far we've looked at a bit of a story from Patrick Ness, and we've done a poem by Jackie Kay, and this week we've looked at a poem by Mary Oliver. So if you want to expand your horizons and sort of unlock some poetry as well, then the Emerald tier is perfect for you. Just to put the poetry in context, it's not totally random. I was an English teacher in a secondary school for 20 years, and so poetry has been a massive part of my life for a very long time, and I'm really excited to share it with you as we move through 2025. So that's Postcards from the Hedge, £4, £6 or £8 a month. You can click on the link below, take you straight there. You can sign up today, and if you do sign up, you haven't missed those videos. All that content is available to you for as long as you're subscribed. You can look at any past videos as well as getting all the future ones. So yeah, you can sign up now, get access straight away and be stitching in the next 15 minutes if you want to. Now the second project is a much simpler project, and that's available here on YouTube. These videos are going to drop every Sunday at 2:30 p.m. It's called Pick of the Pots, and it is a spontaneous improvised stitch project. So each week I've got 3 plant pots. One has got a bunch of colours in them. The second has a bunch of shapes, and the third has a whole bunch of stitches. There's one of each for every week of the year. I'll pick from all 3 pots, and we're going to create an improvised piece of textile art using those prompts. Now, I'm only going to show you week 1s because week 2 hasn't dropped yet, but this is what we created. I'm presenting them in this little sketchbook. So we picked rust as the colour, splash as the shape, and sheaf stitch as the stitch, and that's what we pulled together. So that video is available now. Some of the picks are going to be a perfect match. Some of them are going to be quite random, like that first one, but we are just going to work together to create something wonderful, or not. It will really stretch our creativity and our imagination. I'm creating all my pieces on a small piece of felt and using bits and pieces from my stash to add embellishment. Don't feel like you have to use felt. You could use fabric. You could even do this with paper and pen and paint. You could do this as an art project if you want to, using traditional art materials. So whatever medium you want to use to create your little piece of improvised art, you go for it. The world is your oyster, and it is a little bit of a free-for-all, so use the prompts, do it in whatever way you like. The best way to keep up with the videos is to hit the subscribe button, and if you turn on the notifications bell, so there's a little bell icon, just click it, and that way you'll get notified each week when a new video drops and you'll never miss out on anything. I will keep posting in the community tab, and you can follow me on various social media. All the links are down below, so you can catch up with me there. Both projects have a dedicated private Facebook group. I've put the links to those down below as well. So you just need to make sure you answer the questions and agree to the group rules, and I can let you in straight away. I hope that explains everything. We're having a ton of fun already. The first Pick of the Pots video, the response has been amazing, and I'm already seeing your own versions of the prompt popping up all over the place on Facebook and Instagram. It's really exciting to see. And can I recommend doing a stitch along, whether it's my one or somebody else's? It's a really good way to guarantee that you take some time for yourself each week and just invest in your own well-being and mental health. I've been doing stitch alongs for about six or 7 years now, and it's one of the best things I've ever done. So do check out the videos, head over to Kofi and check out more details about that project, and just enjoy a year of stitching in 2025. I hope that your new year has got off to a great start, and that you're well and healthy and enjoying all sorts of creative pursuits already. Take care, and I will see you on Sunday for Pick of the Pots week 2. It's going to be a good one. I'll see you then. Bye.